Livestock trade. We have Oliver Sloup standing by, and he is at the trading floor in Chicago right now. He's with Blue Line Futures. Oliver, thanks for rejoining us to take a look at our livestock market. I was just looking here. It looks like the cattle and hogs completely going different directions here right now. Talking about this cattle market, as we look at our prices here, we'll start with live cattle futures. We're down at $1.23 in October at 108.02. In December, down $1.08. Meanwhile, on the feeder cattle trade, we now have the September contract $1.02 lower at 148.50. In October, down 96 cents at 148.52. But you flip over and take a look at the lean hogs, a totally different story. October now $2.22 higher at 53.40. December up $2.34 now at 49.82. It got within one tick of hitting $50 today. So what's going on here, Oliver? Why are we so bearish on cattle and so bullish on the hogs at the same time?
Well, there's been some talks of some traders around here maybe unwinding a spread, long cattle, short hogs, and I think you could make that argument based off of volume and looking at the chart. But I think there's pretty good support down here in the cattle complex. Looking at the October live cattle, 107.65 to 107.90 represents a 100-day moving average, but as well represents, I think, a significant trend line support from the May 18th lows. We touched it July 15th, July 11th, and here today, and we're holding that relatively well. So long as we can maintain price action above here, I think, going into the afternoon session and through the end of the day, I think there's good value. Remember, price is what you pay, value is what you get. I think there's opportunity upside. The bulls really want to reclaim ground above 109.55. This represents the middle of the 50% retracement, basically middle of the range on the year. If they can get out above that, I think they invite new buyers back into the market. We know that funds have been kind of building a decent size net long position, and they've been adding to that over the past several weeks. So that's the trend that we're looking at, and as we always say, the trend is your friend until the end when it bends.
So on the lean hog trade, are the investors contacting you to look for a place to maybe get back in or not?
You know, I am not so sure that the bottoms are in just yet for the lean hogs. I think a lot of this is probably just short covering. We saw that limit up move Thursday. Weren't able to really get follow through on Friday. We saw early follow through Friday, but that kind of faded. And I'm kind of concerned that we might see the same thing happen here. Maybe not this afternoon, but this week. I think this is a relief rally and short covering until we can get sustained momentum above some of these prices. 55 is a big line in the sand psychologically.
Well, thank you for sharing. I appreciate that. Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures. He's located right there in Chicago.